está muy alta esa pieza.
So, necesito cortar.
Este doctor.
Ajá. Agarra la parrilla, ¿no?
Por eso, pero no lo vamos a cortar todo, lo que nomás hacemos. Porque esos son los que tendrían que agarrar en el costado, pero en el otro colocamos. Ahora en la colita aquí, si querés, le podemos hacer algo. Le puedo poner un pincito. Sí, porque esa va debajo de esta cosa.
Ahorita te lo pongo.
Ya está pesado, loco, me llega.
¿Qué estás comiendo, Javier?
¿Ah?
¿Qué estás comiendo?
Fruta.
I got 150 and I have 200 and...
What is that?
Shiba Uno. It's gonna blow up.
Really?
Yeah. If it hits a penny, imagine. These are all the coins I have. And it's not even worth 1 penny right now. If it hits a penny, it's
quit?
gonna blow up. Hell yeah.
Fuck yeah, I will quit you. What, you wanna quit?
What do you want to invest in, Sarkis?
I don't know.
Help Sarkis invest. He tried Dogecoin and then he gave up.
Yeah.
And then it blew up.
Wanna see how many Dogecoin I have? Look how many Dogecoin I have. Look, I have $60. $6.
It's $6.
Yeah. Look, I have $6.
Es que Luis, aquí cómo lo agarramos. ¡Ay! Luis, ¿cómo lo agarramos aquí? ¿De aquí? ¿Cómo lo quieres? Pérez. Pues el vato nomás quería el puro centro, pero como no tiene mucho espacio para hacer el blade, échase algo pesado así como en el otro Mclaren.
Gigi's front bumper, carbon fiber, she cracked it. She had tape on it, we took it off. This car's going to SEMA, the new bumper's not available. We fixed the crack. It's carbon fiber, so we can't redo the carbon fiber in time. So we're gonna be doing like a little, kind of like a fade paint on it or something temporarily so it can go to SEMA. So yeah, we're gonna do a quick little thing on it and put it back on her car so it goes to Vegas. This is the first time we've done RDB signature wheels in the champagne finish. Brushed champagne, the lip is a polished champagne. So champagne on champagne, really, really cool finish. This customer always gets RDB signature wheels and always does crazy finishes. Same owner as the orange Corvette with the gold RDB wheels. So we did a little bit something not too crazy, but again, I was trying to do maybe like a polished chrome, but honestly, this works really well. So we're gonna put the tires on. Really crazy tire setup for this too, by the way. This is the E Tron Audi. So we're also gonna lower it a little bit, try to stance it up. So stay tuned, let's see how it's gonna look. Hey, we're gonna go buy you a costume.
When?
Right now, we're just gonna go buy something for you.
They're gonna buy Shrek.
Okay, fine. I promise I'll buy something, but it's not Shrek.
Okay.
Did you like the
And
costume?
you have to wear anything else I get. Anything I get, you're gonna wear it as long as it's not Shrek. Okay, so as long as it's not Shrek and you're not a girl, you're gonna wear anything I get you.
Sure.
Okay, fine. Alright guys, this is the first time you're ever gonna see in the flesh Sark is working.
I make it work.
He's
I
holding
like the
a
work.
defender so Luis can adjust it, but if you look
Hey,
carefully,
hey.
he has a cigarette in his fingers
Don't tell
because he's
him
about to go
before you
smoke.
get tired.
Anyways, this McLaren project, as you guys already saw before, we laid out all the parts. We started this job about 4 days ago. It was a bone stock McLaren 720S. We ripped it apart. We got the 1016 Industries wide body kit and we prepped it for paint, primered it, did sealer on it, painted it the Mercedes, the Zigno Magno black color, which is that matte black that has like an olive metallic look into it. So it's not your standard little satin black, matte black. It has metallic in it. This one wanted to be a perfect job, so no wrap. And now Luis is putting it together. They already did a lot of the door and the quarter panel. Tremendous amount of work for the doors. So currently putting that all together. We have only a few hours left to put this whole car back together, so it goes to Vegas show. But yeah, this is the last time you're gonna see it like this, all bare. Next time you see it, it's gonna be completely put together.
Wait, can I sit in it? Why?
Let me see. Alright, here we have Gigi's McLaren 720S again. She, like I said, wrecked the front bumper, so we fixed it real fast for SEMA. We faded the front, a black fade paint job to go along with the car. I know it's not ideal with the carbon fiber, but with the time we have for SEMA, it needed to be done. So it's leaving right now. It looks really good, actually, for what it is. And yeah, you guys are gonna see it at SEMA. I have some unfortunate news. We wanted to show you guys this McLaren fully done on today's YouTube video. However, per SEMA, and why I don't like SEMA is the crunch time, the rush time. We weren't able to finish it simply because we're missing the wheels, missing a few little things. Even though my guys worked really, really hard on it, very proud of them. They're still working right now. From Monday until today, they've been working non-stop, completing this McLaren 720. This car, as you guys already know, was bone stock a few days ago. Now it's painted in the matte Designo Mercedes factory color. Looks insane, honestly. And we're exposed carbon fiber everywhere. The gloss carbon fiber everywhere with that matte is one of the best combinations you could ever have on a car. So yeah, right now we got the hood on there. The hood is still full exposed. Looks really, really nice. We're missing the front lower lip still. The headlights are not on there, but the doors are complete, which is the hardest part about the McLaren 720, especially since we took it completely apart to paint it. That door comes apart in so many pieces, it's ridiculous. One of the most complicated car doors ever made. They're putting on the rear bumper right now. You guys are gonna see that in action. We're gonna show you some of the work behind it, even though it's a lot of dirty work. We like to show what we do here, as we do it all in-house, of course. So we're gonna show you that stuff. And then the next episode, this car is gonna be completed. We're gonna show you, we're gonna film this early morning before it goes to Vegas to SEMA on crunch day. We're leaving it last minute to film it for you guys, and you're gonna see it in the next YouTube episode, I promise you. So stay tuned because the wheels are gonna look insane on it. We changed the wheel color last minute to go with the theme, so super happy with that. But yeah, keep watching. This McLaren 720 is probably gonna be my favorite ever. So yeah, there you have it.
The hell do you mean?
He has a trash can lid.
You like it? I don't need it. Actually, I don't need a mask.
I don't know why you're working here. How did that come out so good?
Hey, we're going half and half, okay?
And this one looks exactly like who he is too.
The mask ruins it.
Why do you have a mask? Hey, why are you not wearing your costume?
Oh, I forgot it.
Yo, he got his money, it's payday, and now he's gonna go and do what he does with his money. No comment on what he does with his money.
You have to wear your costume, it's so expensive.
All right, guys, we want to wish you guys a happy Halloween from some of the staff at RDB. We have some of the guys wearing costumes. We want you guys to choose who's the best looking costume of 2021 from RDB. We're gonna give them $200, the winner. So this YouTube video, pick who is the winner. They're gonna get 200 bucks from us. Here we have Nacho Libre with nipples sticking out. I don't know what that's about. Here we have the infamous Starbuzz.
Yes, sir. That's the best one.
I don't know what's going on here, but he's riding a bull. Yeah, I think he actually works at a bar. I don't think he works here. But Javier, and he has a gun. I don't know why. He's apparently a grape leaf, so very random. He's also wearing a Mrs. Potato Head. There's Mr. Potato Head right there, and then there's our very proud. What do you call yourself?
The star of the RDB.
You have a trash can lid
Hey,
as a shield.
hey, I don't know what happened. Hey, you forgot to get the shoes, man. ¡Por my guerreros! ¡Al ataque! That's what I'm talking.
By the way, that sword he randomly had in his toolbox. So yeah, please choose. Also, this shirt is our November shirt, limited edition. It's out now. It's the Widebody Mclaren and RDB LA. So our limited, handmade, tailored shirt is online now.
Oh yeah.